Hey guys, welcome back again to another new video. It's your girl AMIMO'S, and today we are back again with an interesting video. So guys, the last few days I've been talking about the opportunity card visa. If you've not seen that video, kindly go and scroll down. I've been talking about the EU blue card visa. If you've not seen that, kindly go and check also on that video that I did, I think yesterday. And today I'm going to talk about the job seeker visa, how you can apply for this job seeker visa here in Germany, to come here in Germany. Let's say maybe you're in your country, wherever you are living, but how you can apply for this type of visa so that you can come and look for work here in Germany. Basically, this type of visa is a work visa issued to anyone who wants to come and find work or job here in Germany. So guys, I'm going to talk about how you can apply for this type of visa. I'm going to talk about the advantages, and also there's some disadvantages for this type of visa. And so stay tuned and enjoy this video to the end. So guys, today's video is gonna be a very short one because I don't even know what more I can talk about this visa. It's simply the most simplest visa someone can apply for. So I'm going to talk about like the things you must fulfill in order to apply for that visa. You must have at least a bachelor's degree. In this bachelor's degree, it must be recognized. That means it has to be verified by the German Institute. They are not by the German Embassy in Kenya. Sorry, not institute. It has to be any document you have, any Form 4 certificate. Make sure you send all of them at the German Embassy to verify them. So after they have been recognized, then you can go ahead and start applying for this job seeker visa. And also you have to, let's say you're a worker, you worked in your workplace for above 5 years, then you can get this visa. You must have a work experience of over 5 years. Without having completed that, you cannot get this visa. It's going to be hard. Another important point is that no German language is needed, so you don't have any stress of going to learn any German course. No any German course is needed. And then another thing that is very important, you must have savings. The more money you have, the better. So, and guys, make sure from the account that you normally get your salary, don't add money and start removing anytime soon when you want to apply for this visa. The embassy is going to see that the transaction that were made, money that is coming in and money that is going out. If you go and put too much money at the same time, embassy is going to recognize you don't have enough money and you might end up not getting that visa. So make sure you put that money like 6 months before applying for that visa. At least the money will be, they will see the money is coming in and out and you have enough money. So make sure you don't put the money at the last moment. You borrow someone money and then you come and put 1 million in your account. That is very tricky. You're not going to get visa. So for this type of visa, your blocked account is not necessary, but if you don't have enough savings, you can also have a blocked account. You make sure, so I'm going to show you how you calculate the block account, how they calculate the block account. Let's say, for example, you come to Germany, you find an apartment, and the apartment is, let's say, like 500 euro every month. So for this type of visa, this type of job seeker visa, you're gonna get the maximum is 6 months. It cannot be more than 6 months. So let's say you pay that 500 times 6 months, you understand that's gonna be 3,000 euro. So every day, maybe every month, maybe you need 300 on top or 400 on top. So they're gonna add 400 euro every month on top of that 3,000. So let's say roughly you're gonna need like, how much is that? You're gonna need like, let's say 4,000 and 8 was, let's say just 5,000 in your account. So they're gonna say this person need 5,000 at least in that blocked account. So make sure at least you have even 6,000 or 7,000 in a blocked account so you get this visa. Another important thing that you need is the travel or health insurance. Normally, you know, before coming to Germany, you must have insured yourself before coming here. And the one that I know, they normally give 3 months with the ADSA or IAG when you're in Africa. But you need to go to the IAG travel insurance and ask them if they can grant you an insurance for 6 months, and then you have to pay for that. And then you can go ahead and start applying for them. Before going to the embassy, you make sure you have all the documents that you need, like the travel insurance for 6 months that is fully covered, so they know in case something happens to you, you can go to the hospital and nothing bad can happen to someone like you who doesn't have a job. You understand? Because the first 6 months you have to look for work, and some people don't know how to end up getting a job, so they have to go back to their country. So guys, for the checklist, you're gonna need your application form. That is like, it is a must. You have to give that application form. You're also going to need a valid passport. Make sure your passport is valid, like it's not expiring in the next 6 months. So you're gonna need a proof of accommodation also. They have to see you have somewhere to go and where you're going to sleep. You understand? These 6 months, you're not going to sleep on the street and then you die on the street because of cold. You also have to have a proof of financial means that, like I said, the blocked account, it has to have money or your savings. One of them. You must not have two of them, but one of them. Blocked account with enough money inside, or savings account with enough money also inside. So with this blocked account, like I said, they have to go and see, they calculate by seeing how much you need per month. Then they're gonna be sending you every month the money that you need. It's not that they're gonna give you the amount when once you reach here they give you the whole amount. No, they don't do that. They only give you every month whatever you. So guys, like I said, health insurance is also on the checklist. It's very, very important. You make sure you have a health insurance for 6 months. Another thing, you have to have a proof of academic qualification, and you make sure they're all, even that degree qualification, it has to be recognized by the German authorities, like the German embassy in your country where you're living. It has to verify it, the documents. And also your CV, you have to write a very good CV. Where you have worked without skipping any year. You have to write every year what you have been doing. And if you don't know how to write a CV, I've written a CV also in this channel. You can go and scroll on the other videos. You're gonna find a CV on this video. You're also going to write a motivational letter. You have to tell the government or the German embassy, why do you wanna come and find work here in Germany. So like I said, for that motivational letter, don't go and copy paste anything online and then you start writing it and then you printing it. They're gonna know you've copied from anywhere. Just sit down, find a good reason why you're looking for work here in Germany, and then you write it down and then you go and print. So that is what you're supposed to do. Don't copy paste anywhere, because they're gonna find out. And imagine you being denied a visa because of something they saw you've just copy pasted somewhere. So avoid that. So how can you apply for an appointment? So you have to go to the, like people who are in Kenya, go to the German embassy website, and then you're gonna see that job seeker visa somewhere, and then you're gonna see the requirements too, and then you can go ahead and apply for it. You're gonna give you a link, and when you click on that link, you can go and book appointment. And if you don't have that, you go to Google, and then you make sure you type job seekers visa Germany, where you're living, which country you're living, like Madagascar, Tunisia. You just put job seekers visa Germany, Madagascar, job seekers visa Germany, Tunisia, or Canada, and then it will come. You're searching for that. When you search for that, you're gonna come a page, and then you have to click on that page. Then it's gonna take you to where you can book appointment, and then you fill the form and everything. So that's what you do, which is not very, very hard. If it's hard for you, just go to the German embassy of your country, and then search for it on the internet. Then if you see, go and open it, and then see if they have any requirements for that, and then you can book appointment also. You can also do that, because for Kenya they have an extra page where you can just book this appointment. And also this process takes about 3 to 6 months, so you have to know it will take some time. It's not something which is fast. If you find this video interesting and you love everything about this topic today, you can support this channel by just any small amount of money for coffee. It will be so much appreciated. So let's go back straight to the video. So we have talked about everything on the checklist, but I forgot to say about the cost of this visa. So the cost of this visa is 75 euro. So that's roughly like 10,000 Kenya shillings. I don't know in your country, you can convert for your country how much is 75 euro into your country money. So for Kenya, I think it's roughly like 9 to 10,000 Kenya shillings. So you have to prepare yourself, just go with at least 15,000 in case embassy asks you for this and that. You can still give them, but the amount of money that you're supposed to pay is 75 euro. And you definitely know, when you go to our embassy, we don't pay with euros, we pay with Kenya shillings. So in the last part of this video, what can you do if you have been in Germany for those 6 months and you haven't found any work? Can this visa be extended or not? So the thing is, this visa cannot be extended. You have to go back to your country. Unfortunately, you have to go back to your country and start a new process. There's no shortcut to that. So when you come here, you have to like wake up every day. You wake up every day and start like sending 20 application. Send 20 CVs everywhere. Yeah. And because there's no way you can just sleep and you know you have a 6 months visa to look for work. You make sure every day you send like 20 application. And I'm telling you guys, every day if your target is 20 people to 20 companies, sending application to 20 companies, you're gonna get work. Because if you start applying for one work today, another work tomorrow, you realize 6 months is over and you don't even have any work. So make sure every day you send like 20 applications. Because you guys, I hope to have learned something about this job seeker visa for Germany. I hope it's gonna help someone. I'm so sure the 3 videos that I've done, one for opportunity card that is starting today, you can start applying today, the 1st of June. Another one for German blue card, I'm so sure it's gonna help. If you have an university degree, you have to stop sleeping and start applying for work. If you are an IT specialist, stop sleeping and start looking for work. Even this job seeker visa, if you know you have a degree, bachelor of degree or whatever, stop sleeping and start looking for this work here in Germany. Come and work here in Germany. You're gonna find work. I hope this video, it helps you and it will help someone else. Share guys, and also don't forget to like and to comment. And see you in the next video. Bye bye. Nawapenda wote. And guys, kindly share. Kindly comment. Leave that comment guys. I'll be so happy if you leave a comment, and also to like. Bye bye.